Buenos dias, bonjour, good morning, my loves. It is a sunny fall morning, and I am in the mood for some cleaning. It is time to tidy it up after letting it slip for a few days. So I want you guys to tune in, watch, hopefully get some motivation so you can do the same. I do have a question later on in this video about a certain something, so I want you to stay tuned and watch. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I download a video.
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you are the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait.
On this particular day, I realized while I was cleaning up, I had so many duplicate utensils, so many glasses that was taking up so much space in my kitchen. So I think I am going to declutter my kitchen sometime or another because it's really frustrating when I go in my cabinets and I can barely make space for whatever is clean. Do you have the same problem? Having plants in my house brings me joy, it livens the place up, and it reminds me so much of growing up and watching my mom plant flowers in her garden. But loves, here's the problem. I sometimes don't have a green thumb. I think I do, but I'm not sure because as you can see in this plant, it's kind of dying. So I need to know from you all, what can I do to make my plant continue to grow and without the leaves falling off? Or is it normal? Please comment down below.
All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again.
Originally, when I started Windexing this table, I was just gonna Windex the glass and get back up and go head on. But I realized that I had dust built up in between the glass and table itself, so I removed the glass, as you can tell, and just gave it a deep clean.
You make them again. You made, would you make them again? All the choices you made, would you make them again?
I've been thinking about decorating in front of this mirror for the fall. I don't know exactly what I want to put right here. So if you have any ideas, please list them down below. I think I do have some last year fall decorations, and I also want to go out and get some more decorations. So please comment down below what I should put in front of this mirror to make it fall festive. Okay, one more question and I will leave you guys alone. Who here is a Steelers fan? It's football season and I love my blanket that my sister made me. I am a Steelers fan and I love to wrap up in this blanket whenever I'm watching TV or doing a little work behind the laptop. So comment down below if you are a football fan and which team are you going for.
All the choices you made, did you make them again?
Vacuuming was the last chore that I had to do for this day. I have decided to declutter my kitchen, so stay tuned for a video coming up in the near future of me organizing that. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you soon.